What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Meowth from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw the top edge of the eyes. We leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to curve this up and we'll bend that down towards the outside. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. We're going to go up towards the same height, round out the eye, and then come down. Let's go back to the left side and curve the bottom of the eye. We're going to come down and then bend that up. And we'll add a small point on the inside coming in and out, and we'll fill those in black. Now I'm going to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, I'm going to draw a long oval, starting from the top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up. And then just line this up on the right. Let's add a small highlight oval along the top of each pupil. And then we'll move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Starting underneath the left eye, curve this up in the middle, and then down. I'm just going to curl the corners of the mouth, and then bend that in, aiming towards the eyes. Now let's open up the mouth. Starting over on the left, come down, round up the bottom, and then pull that up on the right. Let's add two large teeth, coming down and up like a V. And then in the center of the mouth, we'll add a curve for the tongue, going up and then down. Now we're going to go back up to the top of the head and draw in that medallion. Leaving a gap in the center, let's draw two lines. One coming down on the left, and then one on the right. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. And we'll close off the top with a curve. Let's add some lines going across, starting in the middle with one line. I'm going to add two along the top, and then two more across the bottom. Now we're going to move up to the side of the medallion and add two antennas. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up, and then bend that out. Let's taper that back in toward the head, coming in and then down. Now just underneath the eyes on the outside, we're going to add another whisker. We'll start on the left, and then up, and then out. And then we'll taper that back in towards the side. Now from here, we'll draw the side of the head tucked in behind each of these whiskers. On the left, we'll step up, bend this around, and then come down. Let's continue this curve, coming down and then in towards the jaw. And we'll add another set of whiskers on either side. So we're step in, curve out and down, and taper that back in. Now we want to continue this curve underneath, curve this down, and pull that in towards the side of the mouth. Now let's go back up to the top and add in the ears. Starting from these 2 points, curve the ear going up and then out. Let's round up the tip of the ear, come down, and then bend that in. Now you want to trace the ears along the inside. So we'll start with the left, going up toward the top, and come back in. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Meowth from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.